Okay, here's a little video of the undercarriage. All right, so block is nice and clean. New wires and plugs. Transmission was done not even 500 miles ago. Exhaust system, not even 500 miles ago. 10 years ago, there was a frame off done. Maybe you can see the frame, how clean it is. It's a 10-year-old restoration. Very clean. Whole new stainless line, fuel and brake line. Trailing arms, wheel bearings, emergency brake assembly. Everything in the car works, is functional.